Today we're going to check out a property that's brand new to the market in West Mount Airy. It's at 441 West Allens Lane. Come take a look with me.
Okay, let's see what 1.3 million gets you in West Mount Airy. 441 West Allens Lane is mere steps away from the Wissahickon trails. Constructed in 1925, this grand stone center hall colonial is situated on over a third of an acre with, as you can see, very lush landscaping, very well manicured. There is a 2-car garage and a lengthy driveway. Plenty of parking for all the entertaining you'll be doing. The expansive backyard has an in-ground pool, perfect for, well, these hot summer months. Absolutely beautiful landscaping throughout with this gorgeous terrace. The main entryway leads into this large open space that feeds the dining room to the right and the living room to the left, with the central staircase straight ahead.
And moving into living space.
Beautiful hardwood floors throughout with a fireplace. Views of the gorgeous garden.
And then my favorite part of the entire house. I would like to have cocktails and conversation and listen to records in this room. That would be my plan.
Large dining room. Bright office space right off the side of the dining room, between the dining room and the kitchen. And of course, the enormous kitchen. Well appointed. 2 sinks for all of your sink needs. I can't even comprehend all the things that we could put in these cabinets. Views again of the lush outdoor space everywhere you look. Literally all I can think of is all the parties I would be hosting in this house. Coat closet and a first floor half bath. And there's me.
So let's head up to the second floor. That's got 4 of the 6 bedrooms.
Full bathroom, dedicated shower and bathtub off of the primary suite. Bedroom number 2. Gorgeous light, beautiful flow, beautiful hardwood floors. Bedroom number 3. Down the hall to primary suite. Giant walk-in closet. Sitting room. Hello. Back through this bedroom. Another small nooked sitting room. Ensuite full bathroom. Detached shower and detached tub.
But now there is a 3rd floor as well. So let's check it out. And another bathroom. Another bedroom. Wow. Massive. Beautiful light in this space. This is an absolutely beautiful property in the extremely desirable West Mount Airy section of Philadelphia. Reach out if you want to schedule a tour today. I'd be happy to help you.